Welcome to Maths World GM Search channel. Today you are going to learn the construction of tangents from the point which is on the circle, the point from the outside of the circle, that is from the external point, and the tangent using alternate segment theorem, or the tangent chord theorem. We can say tangent chord theorem. So what is the meaning of the point on the circle? The tangent on the circle, the point which is on the circle. Suppose we have the circle with the center O and the point P is on the circle. So the tangents from on the circle can be drawn, and the tangent which is passes through which the point and touches to the circle. So in this type we have to find. And the tangent from external point of the circle, the point which is external, is like this one point, and two tangents. We know that two tangents can be drawn from the external points at any point P and the other point as Q, which touches the circle. And like this we can have from the point A, we have to draw the two tangent. And alternate segment theorem is, we have a point which is on the circle, we have to draw the triangle, any triangle in the circle. And the alternate segment means the angle we have in the circle, in the triangle, that angle is taken here in the alternate circle, opposite side, alternate side, with the equal measurement of this we will take, and we will draw the tangent like this. So this is nothing but the alternate segment we have. And let us see how to draw the tangents. When any point R on the circle of radius 3.4 and the center at P we have. So the first of all we must have the rough diagram to get the idea of drawing the tangent. So the rough diagram is, any circle can be drawn with the center P. P is the center, and any point R on the circle is taken, and the tangent through R can be drawn. So we have this point. Next we have to draw the fair diagram. So let us have to take the circle of radius 3.4 taken in the compass. Any point can be taken as the center P, and in the compass 3.4 is taken in the compass 3.4 like this. So the circle from the point P of radius 3.4 can be drawn of radius 3.4. Like this we draw the radius from the point P to the point R. Now on the R we have to draw the tangent. So any point taken on the circle is R. Now we know that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius on the point of contact. We know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. That means now we have to draw the 90 degree here so that we can draw the tangent. So to draw the 90 degree, any radius can be taken in the compass, and from that point an arc is drawn to draw the angle using the ruler and compass. We have to draw the arc R as a center without changing the radius from this point of intersection. Again we will draw an angle which is 60 degree. From that 60 degree we will take one more 60 degree, so it is 120, and to get 60 plus 30 we will bisect the angle from 60 to 120 like this. In this way, from this point we have to take, so we have to draw the arc from the point R, and again from the 60 degree like this. Both the arcs intersect at some point with that point, and R both can be joined together to get the tangent through the point R, which is on the circle, and the tangent is taken as xy. So the xy is the tangent passes through the point R which is on the circle, and PR is perpendicular to xy. That's it in this video. Next we have to draw the tangents from the point on the circle. Draw the tangent at that point using the alternate segment theorem. So let us first draw the rough diagram. Alternate segment theorem: any triangle is drawn inside the circle, and from any point which is on the circle we have to draw the tangent. This angle must be equal to this angle, so these angles are alternate segment theorem. alternate segment, one angle is in the other segment and which is also equal to the angle which is in the alternate segment. Therefore, we have to draw the circle of radius 4.5 centimeter in the fair diagram. Radius 4.5 centimeter. Let us take any point which is as the center of circle O, and 4.5 radius is taken in the compass to draw the circle. Carefully we have to draw the circle. Any triangle is now drawn inside the circle. Any one point on the triangle which is on the circle is taken, any radius taken in the compass. Like this we have to draw the arc on the one end, one vertex of the triangle, and the same without changing the radius. Again we have to draw the arc in the alternate segment, and the equal angle of this we have to draw here. So the angle is measured now. In this way we have to measure the angle, and the equal angle is drawn here from this point, intersect the previous arc. So the equal angle of this is taken here and drawn here, and from this point we can say PQR triangle, and at Q which is on the circle, now we are drawing the tangent. Like this. This is the alternate segment, and the equal angle we have taken. That's it. This tangent XY is drawn through Q. Tangent XY drawn at the point Q which is on the circle. Using alternate segment theorem, you can write the conception, points of conception one by one, how we have drawn the flat diagram and the rough diagram. That's it. from point which is 10 centimeter away from the center of circle of radius 5 centimeter, and also we have to measure the lengths of the tangents. In the previous video I have explained the types of the tangents drawn to the circle from the external point and also from the point which is on the circle and the point which is on the circle using the alternate segment theorem. So in this problem we have to draw the tangents from the external point which is 10 centimeter away from the center of the circle. So let us draw the rough diagram first. From this point center O, 10 centimeter away from the circle, we have one point P, 10 centimeter. From that point P to any tangent, one tangent and the other tangent from the point P we have to draw in this way. PA and PB are two tangents can be drawn. So let us draw the circle which is of the radius 5 centimeter. Let us take the radius 5 centimeter in the compass like this. Any point is taken as the center of the circle O. From that point now we have to draw the circle. Like this, and the point 10 centimeter from the center is taken, point at 0 and point at 10. We have to put the dot and join both the dots. Let the point outside the circle is taken as P. From that point we have to draw the tangent to this circle. So for that we have to bisect OP, and from the point of bisection we have to draw the circle which passes through both the center and the point P which intersect the previous circle at 2 points. So first of all we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. So more than half of 10 is taken in the compass in this way. This is more than half, exactly you can see more than half for drawing the perpendicular bisector. Now the perpendicular bisector of OP from the point P to the above OP and below OP arcs can be drawn in this way, and also from the point O arcs can be drawn which intersect the previous arc above and below OP. Join both the points of intersection above and below the OP to get the perpendicular bisector. In this way we have to obtain the perpendicular bisector. It will exactly touch the circle because it is midpoint is at 5 and the radius of circle is also 5. So from this point now we have to draw the circle which passes through O and P. Which also intersect the previous circle at 2 points. In this way we have to draw the circle. So both the points of intersection we have on the circle, on that we have to join the points are taken as AB, PA and PB are two tangents. We have to measure the length of tangents. So the lengths of tangents 8.7 centimeter, both we have to measure. That's it in this type of problem. Tangents from external point P, PA and PB are drawn, and PA equal to PB is 8.7 centimeter. That's it in this type of problem. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Welcome friends. Welcome to Maths World GM Sir channel. You are learning construction of tangent from the external point. We know that two tangents can be drawn from the external points. So take a point which is 11 centimeter away from the center of circle of radius 4 centimeter and draw the two tangents to the circle from that point. First of all, we must draw the rough diagram. So the rough diagram can be drawn. Any point center O and the point which is 11 centimeter away from the circle is taken as P. From that point we have to draw the two tangents. And we have to measure the length of tangents. Like this we have to draw. Radius 4 centimeter, 11 centimeter away from the center of the circle. Any point center of the circle is taken. with the radius 4 centimeter in the compass. We will draw the circle now. 4 centimeter we have to take in the compass. Draw the radius like this. We have to draw the circle. Point center of the circle is taken as O. 11 centimeter away from the center of the circle we have to take any point. Put the dot at 11 and already center we have. Join both the dots. Point P is 11 centimeter away from the circle. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP, taking more than half in the compass. From the point P to the above and below OP we have to draw the arc to get the perpendicular bisector. From this point, midpoint of OP, we have to draw the circle which passes through O and P and intersect the previous circle at 2 points. Like this, intersect at the point A and B. We can take A and B. So PA and PB are two tangents drawn from the external point P. We have to measure the tangents and we can also verify the tangents from the point by using Pythagoras theorem. So it is 10.2 centimeter. Centimeter we can have the tangents, length of the tangents. So PA equal to PB equal to 10 centimeter. We can verify by using the Pythagoras theorem. OB is the radius, 4 centimeter. This is 11 centimeter and this is right angle. So in triangle OBP, in right triangle OBP, OB is perpendicular to PB by Pythagoras theorem. We have OP square is equal to OB square plus PB square. We have to find PB. So PB square is equal to OP square minus OB square. OP square is 11 square minus OB square is 4 square, which is 121 minus 16, which is 105. PB square will go to that side, become. So the square root of 100 is 10, we already know, and this is 105, so it is approximately equal to 10.2 centimeter we can write. So that's it in this problem. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Friends, welcome to Maths World GM Sir channel. You are learning how to construct the tangent from the external point to the circle. We have the problem, draw the two tangents from a point which is 5 centimeter away from the center of a circle of diameter 6 centimeter, and also measure the lengths of the tangents. So we have to draw the rough diagram. Center is O. Five centimeter away from the circle. P is taken any point. From P to the circle, two tangents we have to draw. So the radius is 3 centimeter because diameter is 6 centimeter. So the radius is 6 by 2 equal to 3 centimeter. And the point is 5 centimeter away from the circle. First of all, we must draw the circle of radius 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter in the compass we have to take. Take any point as the center of circle. From that point, draw the circle of radius 3 centimeter. O as the center. From the center 5 centimeter away we have to put the point and put the dot on that point. P as the point we have to take 5 centimeter away from the circle. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OB, taking more than half in the compass. To the above and below that we have to draw the arc. And draw the perpendicular bisector. From the point M we have to draw the circle which passes through O and P and intersect the previous circle at 2 points. From this point and this point, four centimeter as radius. We have to draw the tangents PA and PB like this. Now we have to measure it. The tangent is equal to 4 centimeter. That's it in this sum. In this problem, tangents PA equal to PB equal to 4 centimeter. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. we have the problem under the construction of tangents from the external point. We have the problem, draw a tangent to the circle from the point P having the radius 3.6 centimeter and the center at O. Point P is at a distance of 7.2 centimeter from the center. So first of all, we must draw the rough diagram. Always we have to draw the rough diagram to get the clear idea of the fair diagram. So we have the circle of radius 3.5, 3.6 centimeter. From that we have from the center O, the point is 7 centimeter away. Point P, this is the radius 3.6 and this is 7 centimeter away from that. So we have to draw the tangent from point P to the circle. A tangent is enough. We can also draw two tangents, but it is given a tangent, so we have to draw the tangent from the external point. So first of all, we must draw a circle of radius 3.6. Let this one be the center of the circle. In the compass, let us take the radius 3.6. Clearly we can see it is 3.6. So from the center we draw the circle of radius 3.6. Very carefully we have to draw the circle. And from the point center O, we have to draw or take the point 7 centimeter away, point P, join both the dots. This is the point P. In the compass, we have to take more than half of the OP to draw the perpendicular bisector below and above the OP. To get the midpoint of OP, join these two. Therefore, this is the midpoint of OP. From the midpoint of OP, we have to draw the circle which passes through O and P to intersect the previous circle at a 2 point, and let the 2 point of intersection on the previous circle by the new circle are A and B. Two tangents can be drawn from the external point of the circle. So PA is a tangent, and another tangent we can draw PB is another tangent. We have 3.6 centimeter, OP is 7 centimeter, and PA is 5.9 centimeter is the length of tangents. Therefore, the lengths of tangents is PA equal to PB equal to 5.9 centimeter. We can write the construction steps for the construction of this problem. 5 or 6 points we can write. First point, draw the circle of radius 3.6. Mark the point P 7 centimeter away from the circle. We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP by taking more than half as the radius. From the point O and P, we have to draw the arcs above and below the OP. By joining the point of intersection of the arcs above and below OP to get the perpendicular bisector which intersect at M, and from the point M we have to draw the circle to get the point of intersection on the previous circle A and B. By joining the points A and B with P, we get the two tangents P and PP, which are of equal measures 5.9 centimeter. That's it in this problem. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching the video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel.